Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Guille, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're going to see a compound lick. It's an A minor lick and has economy picking and alternate picking. Show reel. This lick, it goes as follow. We're going to have the first half of this lick is going to be A minor scale, but we're going to play 3 notes per string, and we're going to do the economy picking. So it starts as follow. We're going to start on the 5th string, playing 12th fret. Then we're going to play 14 and 15th fret. And then we're going to repeat the same pattern on the 4th string. So we have 5th string and 4th strings. So it's going to be 12 down, 14 up, 15 down, and then 12 again on the 4th string, down again. So it's going to be like this. And we're going to repeat the pattern. We're going to play 12 on the 3rd string, 14 and 16. And of course we did down on 12, up on 14, down on 16, then down again on 13, then up on 15, down again on 17, down again on 13, 15 up on the 1st string, and down on the 17th string. Once we get into the 1st string, we're going to do the last note is 17, and then we're going to do 13 up. So it's going to be 17, 13, 15, down, up 17, then 15, 13, and then slide to 19. So down on 19, up on 15, down on 17, up on 19, and then down on 15. And then we're going to slide to 20, then 17, up, 19 down, then up 20, and then down 17, and then we're going to do a bend, a whole step up on 21. So the last part sounds like this. So we're going to play slow the whole lick. When you do alternate picking, it's nice if you accent the 1st note. For example, in this case, of each part of it. And of course, at the end, you gotta do like a nice bend, very exciting. The whole lick now again. I hope you like this episode today. I had a lot of fun doing it for you guys. And see you in another episode of Shredding with Guille. Please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. See you very soon. Show reel!